Here's the solution for day 4, problem 1. Gretchen is shrinking a digital photograph on her computer. The original photo is 6 inches by 9 inches. If she reduces the dimensions by scale factor 2/3, what will be the perimeter and area of the new image? So this sketch can be the original photograph. It was 6 inches wide and 9 inches high. And she's going to transform this on the computer. She's going to reduce it and make a smaller photo. And we're told the scale factor that's being used, 2/3. And so our transformation is to multiply these original dimensions by 2/3. That's going to create a smaller rectangle. So 6 times 2/3. 6 times 2 is 12, and 12 divided by 3 is 4 inches. This is 4 inches wide. Now let's get its height. 9 times 2/3. 9 times 2 is 18. 18 divided by 3 is 6. This is 6 inches tall. And once we know these new dimensions, we can find the perimeter and the area of this new rectangle. Let's do the perimeter first. To find the perimeter of any rectangle, you can go 2 times its length plus 2 times its width. And so that would be 2 times 6 plus 2 times 4. 2 times 6 is 12. 2 times 4 is 8. 12 plus 8 is 20 inches. Now area. To find area of a rectangle, length times width. So 6 times 4, that's 24 square inches. Now day 4, problem 2. There's 4 questions here, so let's just tackle them one at a time. Question A, -11 plus -12. This is an adding question, and both numbers being added are negative numbers. So the answer is a negative number, and 11 plus 12 is 23. So -23. Question B, 18 minus -20. One way to do subtraction problems is to change the subtraction into an adding problem. So 18 add, and then when that subtraction is changed to add, we compensate for that by changing the sign of this number. -20 becomes +20. And now do this math problem. Plus 20, that's 38. Question C, 2/3 plus 5/9. So we want to add these fractions together. When you add fractions, you have to have the same denominator. So these don't have the same denominator. Let's convert until we have common denominators. I'm going to multiply this by 3 and the numerator by 3. 2 times 3 is 6, and 3 times 3 is 9. And so 6/9 is equivalent to 2/3. The other fraction already was in ninths. It was 5/9. And so we can now add these together because they have common denominator. 6/9 plus 5/9 is 11/9. Question D, 1/5 times 25, or 1/5 of 25. One way to do this is to put a 1 under the whole number. It just helps to keep straight what's in the top, what's in the bottom. It's not necessary to do that, but it might help you to keep the numerator and the denominators lined up correctly. 1 times 25 is 25. 5 times 1 is 5. Now make sure you simplify this. 25 divide 5 is 5. We probably could have got this right at the beginning if we had thought about 1/5 of 25. 1/5 of 25 is 5.